Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to add any video clip, and from here you simply need to click here, that is type tool. You can also select by clicking T on your keyboard and now start typing. So I'm going to add a random text. Very good time, for example. Okay, and if you want you can move it like this, and if you want to change the starting point you can select this layer and move, and if you want to add more duration you simply need to hold like this and add duration over to the text. Here you can see. So let's suppose if you want to change the font style, so you simply need to select, double click here, and it will be selected the whole text. And here you can see that you have different options to change the text. Here you can change the color and all other settings related to text. You can do that settings here. So this is the process by which you can easily add text in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.